haters, just do your thing. Magnify Jesus Christ and keep shining your light. Look to the left, to the right, yeah, we'll do it for Christ. Stand strong, stand tall, and don't give up the fight. When you feel like giving up, shake off the devil like a soul winner. Stand up to your feet, cause Christ died when we were still sinners. So keep going, keep going, keep going, don't you stop now. You gotta keep going on, you gotta keep going.
Hey, Superman, Superman, ready, roll away, roll away.
After all that you've been through, you gotta keep going on, you gotta keep going on, don't stop now. Just keep on keeping on and keep your head up high. You gotta keep going on, you gotta keep going on, don't stop now.
You did it for Tonga.
Don't you give up now.
Today is the 23rd of July 2009 and we're here at the top of Mount Sinai in Egypt. Out of the 45 people in the group, only 23 made it to the top. The rest are still in a hotel. And it's just an awesome view up here, but more so an awesome feeling to know that one day God, many thousands of years ago, met his servant Moses. And as we descend later this evening, just on sunset, we are requesting this same powerful God to walk with us so that we will continue to make a bigger and greater impact for his honor and glory in the plains and the valleys, in the cities and villages below. Thank you.
Yeah.